Hey guys, so in front of us we are having the Honor 8 Pro, and today we are gonna be disassembling it. So let's just take a quick look at the tools we just require in order to disassemble this whole thing. So we need a actually hexagonal head screwdriver. Secondly, we need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, I'll be linking to all the tools in the description box down below. We need a forceps. Regardless to that, a pry tool, metal one, and two other clippers, which are the plastic ones. So last but not the least, which is the most important thing, that is the SIM ejector tool. Sorry guys for the outside noises. I am just in front of, means my home is just in front of the road, so can't just blame myself. Let's just take a look at the device. This is a pretty much a working condition device. This is just a new device. You can see I did its unboxing. So firstly we need to take off this SIM tray with this. Okay, keeping the SIM tray over here, and then we will be taking a hexagonal screwdriver and let me just focus. Okay, we will be opening up two screws. For the time being I need a plate, so over here, I hope you can see that. And regardless to that, this screw. Okay, so for now we are done with those two screws, and we will be turning off the device. Shut down or power off. So the main equipment which you will be requiring for the disassembling of the Honor 8 Pro is either a heat gun if you are a professional, or else a hair dryer. Hear it? Good. So we are gonna be heating up the screen now. Let me just check. Okay, the device is now all shut down, so I'll be heating this thing. Let me just zoom in. Focus. Okay, so okay guys, so over here we are done with the disassembling of this device. And as you can see, all the parts are kept in front of you: the motherboard, the screw board, the headphone jack, the display itself, and this thing. So this is what you get, and leaving this, we will be now clipping on everything back. So we will be reassembling it now. Firstly, we need to take up the motherboard. This is the motherboard. This is our rear dual cameras, and this is our front camera. This is our motherboard, main motherboard. So leaving that apart, let's just put this into this thing, the body of the phone. Okay, I hope you get that. Placing the camera down, clipping on the fingerprint scanner cable, clipping on then the battery cable. After that, we would be taking on this part, which is the charging port and the antenna cable, and fitting it into this whole thing. So firstly, we need to take up the headphone jack. You take up the headphone jack over here like that, and place its cable something like this. Okay, you get that? Then we will be placing this thing like this. This was all about this video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Give it this one if you didn't, and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified each time I upload an interesting content. Leaving that apart, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, links given in the description. Please follow. That was all about this video. Thank you guys. See you guys later.